This is the world's most dangerous market, where even a slight delay could mean a shopkeeper's stall is gone for good. You'd be left searching for it, because a train passes right through the center of this market, about 6 to 8 times every day. Its official name is the Maeklong Railway Market, but it is also known as the Umbrella Pull-Down Market. The place is always packed to the brim. The moment a train approaches, the market clears out instantly. Once the train passes, it's back up and running at full speed within just a minute or two. Most tourists don't come here just to shop. They come to witness the incredible sight of how these locals manage to pull back their goods and keep them safe just seconds before the train rolls through.